took the track beside the water. Late September, 3:30. Clouds were breaking over Cole's Inlet. Sunlight moving through the trees. A kookaburra broke the silence. Something silver cleared the tide, and a seagull turned above us with the whole blue sky to ride. He said, funny how it carries on here, like the world had never burned, but every blackened trunk beside us knew exactly what returned. We were in no hurry, had nowhere else to be, just the track beneath our footsteps and the water through the trees. Along the narrows again, where the bush meets the water, where the old trees stand and the young ones grow. Along the narrows again, spring light on your shoulder. Some things disappear, some things come back slow, and for an hour or two the whole wide world was small, just you and me, the winding track and sunlight through it all. There were gums still scarred like charcoal, great grey arms against the blue, and beneath them green was pushing where the fire had traveled through. Wattle flowering by the pathway, tiny orchids near the ground, finches flickered through the bracken, parrots scattered at our sound. There were wombat tracks beside us, kangaroo prints in the sand, little proofs that life kept moving without asking or being planned. Nothing here was perfect, nothing here was new, just the ancient work of living, doing what it always knew. Along the narrows again, where the bush meets the water, where the old trees stand and the young ones grow. Along the narrows again, spring light on your shoulder. Some things disappear, some things come back slow, and for an hour or two the whole wide world was small, just you and me, the winding track and sunlight through it all. White-faced heron watched the shallows, still as stone beside the reeds. The afternoon was leaning golden, warm across the paper bark leaves. You could hear the water breathing, barely moving with the tide, and all the things we thought were urgent fell away there side by side. Maybe healing isn't sudden, maybe nothing starts anew, maybe broken things keep growing with the scars still showing through. Maybe peace is not a place name or a promise we can keep. Maybe sometimes it is simply walking somewhere slow and deep. No race to win, no point to prove, no need to know what comes next, just another bend, another view, and the spring wind at our backs. Along the narrows again, where the bush meets the water, where the old trees stand and the young ones grow. Along the narrows again, spring light on your shoulder. Some things disappear, some things come back slow, and for an hour or two the whole wide world was small, just you and me, but some of them stay with you. The sun went down behind the timber. The water changed from blue to gray. We turned around and walked back slowly. Nothing more we had to say. And somewhere high above the narrows, a seagull crossed the blue. Spring had come back to the country, and I walked it there with you.